In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link to share files. This is a great skill to have, whether for work, school, or personal use. With these steps, you'll be sharing content like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Google Drive account and locating My Drive. You'll typically see this on the left-hand side of your screen. Now, My Drive is essentially your home base in Google Drive. It's where all your files, folders, and documents are stored. So, go ahead and click on My Drive. This action will open up a list of all the files and folders that you currently have stored within your Google Drive. Next, you'll want to find the specific file or folder you intend to share. Hover over the item with your mouse, and you'll see a few options pop up. One of these options will be indicated by 3 vertical dots, which is the icon for more actions. Click on this icon. This action is like tapping into a special menu where you can further manage your document. In that expanded menu, look for the Share option and click on it. What you're doing here is setting the stage for sharing. It's like addressing the envelope for sending your letter. Clicking Share will bring up a dialog box where you can manage all the sharing settings for your file or folder. Within this dialog box, you'll see a button labeled Copy Link. This button is your gateway to creating a shareable link. When you click Copy Link, Google Drive generates a URL specifically tied to the selected file or folder. This URL can be pasted into an email, a chat, or any other communication tool you're using to share the file. After copying the link, take a moment to review the link sharing settings. You might want to adjust who can access the file and what level of access they have, whether they can view, comment, or edit. This step ensures that your content is shared with the right audience and with the right permissions. Once you're satisfied with these settings, you're ready to share the link with others. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google Drive link to share your files. This straightforward process makes it incredibly easy to collaborate and communicate efficiently, whether it's for business, school, or personal use. The next time you need to share a document, remember these simple steps and you'll be all set. Thanks for joining, and happy sharing!